Over the past 7 years, I have been sharing tips and tricks through my social media across various platforms. And for the first time ever, I have some incredible opportunities to offer you. Over the past decade, my team and I at VOME Studios have created multiple brand identities, produced numerous documentaries, and developed content for brands across various industries, both big and small. Now, I'm happy to announce the launch of 3 new courses designed to help you, yes you, master these skills that I have acquired and help you level up your game. First up on the courses is our documentary filmmaking course, which will take you from scripting to production, teaching you everything you need to know about how to craft compelling documentary. You'll learn about scripting, shooting techniques, lighting, pricing, very important, and even how to use AI tools to enhance your filmmaking process. Next on our list is our brand identity design course, which will guide you through the entire process of building an exceptional brand identity from concept to execution. We are going to learn about the art and science of logo design, color theory, typography, using mockups, again, pricing, and how to use AI to not only create stunning identities, but stunning presentations. And finally, our content creation course. This course will cover everything from scripting, lighting, sound, filming, managing your content, negotiating brand deals, and again, how to use AI tools to streamline your workflow and produce high quality content both efficiently and sustainably. Now, this is where you come in. This is where I need your help to ensure that we tailor these courses to your needs and dot out all our I's and cross our T's. We need your input. So please, take a moment and fill out the survey below. I promise it's only going to take a minute. Your feedback will help us create courses that truly meet and perhaps even exceed your expectations and needs. So go ahead now, click in the link below to get started. Thank you for your time, and we can't wait to see what you can create together with us.